Hello people, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be fitting a splitter on my car. It came a couple of days ago. It's Maxton Design, so proper nice. It was about, probably can't see because the light's terrible now. I'll show you when I get outside, but yeah, it was about 150 odd quid for a gloss black one. So yeah, I'm going to have to probably remove the bumper and then put it underneath and then yeah, fit it on. Yeah, see you in a bit. Right, so first things first, we have to remove the whole bumper, I think, because it's just easier to get underneath and get the splitter on. I'll run you through it in a bit, but there's a load of bolts all the way underneath, and then inside the archwell sort of thing, and then around the top, inside the bonnet, inside the engine base, so yeah. Alright, probably do a time lapse of the whole thing, but alright. Right, so we've turned it upside down now so we can see how it fits. It actually fits bang on with the shape of the like inside of the bumper, you could call it. So yeah, hopefully it's going to look good. We just got to make sure that we drill those holes properly. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Just a quick update. But yeah, the bumper's off and all that. Right, so this is where we're at. We're just using sellotape because we haven't got any masking tape, but taped it in the middle and then taped it all the way around these bits, and then we're going to drill where it says on the little picture, but that's where we're at right now. Satisfying. here it is on finally. So we've done all the bolts that we could to fit it on, and it looks so much better than standard, I think. Okay, happy days. Thanks a lot for watching. Shout out to Liam for helping me fit the splitter. It ended up being easier than we thought, but the link for the splitter will be down below. If this video helped you with fitting a Maxton Design splitter or just a splitter in general for BMW 1 Series or for any other car, like the video, subscribe if you're new in that. Also check out another video if you're interested in watching more about my car. We'll have another video next week, I believe. So that should be pretty sick. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.